everyone, welcome to the VISTA Blend Resource Development course on fundraising and grant writing. My name is Cindy Edwards and I'll be your facilitator for the next 10 weeks. In this little video, I'll take about 5 minutes to introduce myself and to point out some important things that you should know about this course. First, let me tell you a little bit about me. When I'm not working with online learners, like you, I spend a lot of time helping both nonprofit and for-profit organizations of all sizes educate their communities about what they do and the value and the benefits that they provide. Education and learning are my passion, and I look forward to sharing that with you. My personal motto is any day I learn something new is a good day. So, you ready to get started and learn something new? Let me tell you a bit about the course. Here we go. This VISTA Blend course focuses on resource development, a key area that VISTAs like you will work with at some point. Resource development refers to the ways in which nonprofits secure and cultivate funding for their organizations. The first couple of key points that we're going to cover in the next 10 weeks are: number one, nonprofits have a variety of funding options, but not every funding option is appropriate for every organization. And number two, relationships that nonprofits have with clients are different than the relationships between for-profit organizations and their clients. For-profit organizations can increase funding by serving more clients, but traditionally, nonprofits don't get funding from clients. They get their funding from donors. The third key point that we're going to cover deals with the appropriate funding. Knowing what type of funding is appropriate for your organization is a key aspect of a successful fundraising program. Like for-profit counterparts, nonprofit organizations use several economic models to generate funding. Unlike the for-profit world, clients of nonprofit organizations are not the primary sources of the income. Most nonprofits seek funding in addition to serving their client base and mission. In other words, nonprofits don't always generate enough revenue to pay for the cost of their services. Nonprofits really have to raise money in order to provide their services. To address this economic reality, nonprofits have to plan and develop funding strategies and practices that help support their mission-driven work. Make sure you check out the additional resource titled Stanford Social Innovation Review, 10 Nonprofit Funding Models. It deals exactly with the issue that we're talking about here. The fourth key point that we'll cover has to do with you. VISTAs who work in resource development provide a very important role in planning and developing the funding. As you learned at your pre-service orientation, resource development is like capacity building. It's a long-term process that requires a transfer of skills, products, and relationships. We've designed this course to support you as you learn how to develop and transfer these skills, products, and relationships. The course is divided into 4 general topic areas: an overview of fundraising practices, donors, special events, and grants. We'll explore each of these areas through the lens of Community Kitchen. It's a fictional nonprofit organization designed specifically for this course. While the organization is fictional, its resource development needs, opportunities, and challenges are very similar to those of the sites where VISTAs serve. Throughout the course, you will be Community Kitchen's VISTA, and you'll be responsible for a variety of resource development tasks. Your goal is simple: raise money for Community Kitchen using the guidelines and instructions provided in each section. To earn money, you'll complete the assignments, learning checks, and other activities along the way. Each activity has an assigned dollar amount and criteria for successful completion. Complete the assignment according to the criteria, and you earn money for Community Kitchen. It's pretty simple. By the way, the dollar value of the money you earn is reflected in the number of points you earn on the activity, and it'll be reflected in the gradebook. Want to know how much money you've earned? Check your gradebook. To acquaint you with the Community Kitchen, we'll provide you with key pieces of information you can find under Community Kitchen Resources on the right-hand side of the main course page. After viewing this video, I recommend you start reviewing the readings for this module, as well as the background information, mission, and volunteer assignment description that you'll use in your role as Community Kitchen's VISTA. All of this information will help you with your first assignment, where you'll have an opportunity to introduce yourself and your VISTA role at Community Kitchen staff meeting. By the way, each module will include a brief video like this one, sort of like this one, to introduce the topic and give you pertinent information. Well, Community Kitchen is excited to have you as a VISTA, and I'm thrilled you've decided to join me for this term. My role here, again, is to help you learn and to apply the new skills that we present in this course. So please contact me anytime you have questions or concerns, or if you just want to chat about some ideas you have. You'll find my email address and cell phone number in my profile. Send me a message anytime using the message tool in the course or through your own email account. I usually answer within 24 hours and often within just a few minutes. Also, feel free to call me at area code 541-805-8563. If I'm available, I'll pick up. If not, leave me a message and I'll call you back as soon as I can. Last of all, please watch for updates and answers to common questions in the latest news and in the discussion forums. Well, that's it for now. Again, welcome to Resource Development, and I'll see you around. Bye.